They don't realize it at first, but losing you would actually change their life, until it almost happens. Most people think being unforgettable is about looks, status, or saying the perfect things at the perfect time. But psychology tells a different story. The people others fear losing are not the loudest, the richest, or the most available. They are the ones who quietly shape emotional certainty, self-respect, and presence in every interaction. This isn't about manipulation or playing games. It's about becoming someone who is emotionally grounded, internally valuable, and impossible to replace casually. When you understand the psychology behind attachment, respect, and perceived value, relationships shift naturally around you. People don't fear losing attention, they fear losing emotional stability and meaning. Here are 7 psychological principles that create that effect in real human behavior. 1. Emotional self-containment. The first secret is learning to regulate your emotional state independently of other people. Most individuals unconsciously outsource their emotional balance to whoever they're attached to. This creates instability, neediness, and predictability. When you are emotionally self-contained, your mood does not collapse when attention shifts. You don't chase reassurance or overreact to distance. Psychologically, this signals security, one of the most attractive traits in human attachment systems. People naturally value what feels stable, not what feels dependent. 2. Scarcity of overexposure. One of the strongest psychological drivers in human perception is scarcity. But scarcity is not about disappearing, it's about not overexposing yourself. When someone is constantly available, their presence becomes background noise in the mind. When someone has rhythm, space, and boundaries in their availability, attention sharpens. You become more memorable when your presence is not constant but intentional. The brain assigns more value to what it cannot fully predict or consume at will. This is not about playing hard to get, it's about living a life that doesn't revolve around constant access. 3. Clear personal boundaries. Boundaries are not walls, they are signals of self-respect. Psychologically, people measure how much they can value you by how you value yourself. When you tolerate inconsistency, disrespect, or emotional confusion, you teach others what is acceptable. When you calmly set limits without aggression or emotional escalation, you create respect without force. People fear losing those who do not abandon themselves to keep others comfortable. Boundaries communicate internal strength in a way words never can. 4. Emotional direction, not reaction. Most people react. Very few people direct. Reaction is emotional instability expressed outwardly. Direction is emotional clarity expressed through behavior. When you stop reacting impulsively to every shift in tone, attention, or behavior, you become psychologically unpredictable in a grounded way. Not chaotic, just not easily shaken. This creates a subtle shift in perception. You are no longer someone who is easily pulled by circumstances. Instead, you are someone who observes, processes, and responds intentionally. That level of emotional control creates quiet authority in relationships. 5. Internal validation over external approval. One of the deepest psychological shifts is moving from approval-seeking to self-validation. When your self-worth depends on external feedback, you become easily replaceable in your own mind first. People who constantly seek validation tend to overextend, over-explain, and overinvest emotionally. This reduces perceived value because it signals internal uncertainty. When you validate yourself, you stop negotiating your worth in real time. You don't need constant reassurance because your identity is stable internally. Ironically, this makes others trust your presence more, not less. 6. Purpose-driven identity. Human psychology is naturally drawn to direction. People who lack direction become emotionally centered around others. People who have purpose become emotionally centered within themselves. When your life has goals, structure, and meaning beyond relationships, you are no longer defined by who chooses you. You become defined by what you are building. This creates psychological gravity. Others feel like they are part of something already moving forward, not the center of your emotional universe. And that shift changes everything about attachment dynamics. 7. Calm confidence under emotional pressure. The final secret is how you behave when emotional tension appears. Anyone can seem composed when things are easy. Very few remain steady when things are uncertain, distant, or emotionally charged. Calm confidence is not silence, it is regulated presence. It is the ability to remain respectful, grounded, and unshaken even when dynamics feel unstable. When you don't escalate emotionally, you signal strength. When you don't panic or overcompensate, you signal security. And security is what human attachment systems ultimately seek most. People fear losing those who remain steady when things are not. Underscore 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 underscore. When you combine these 7 psychological principles, something subtle but powerful happens. You stop being perceived as someone who needs to be held on to, and start being perceived as someone worth holding on to. Not because you demanded it. Not because you performed for it. But because your presence communicates emotional stability, self-respect, and direction. And in human psychology, those traits create attachment far more effectively than attention ever could. The irony is that the goal was never to be feared losing. The real outcome is becoming someone who does not lose themselves in the first place. And that is what makes others pay attention more deeply, value more sincerely, and connect more consistently. Because at the end of the day, people don't fear losing perfection. They fear losing emotional safety, consistency, and meaning. And those are qualities you can build, quietly, steadily, and permanently. If you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe for more psychology-based insights on attraction, behavior, and emotional intelligence.